was Musk born? Option 1 Australia, Option 2 South Africa, Option 3 France, Option 4 America. Option 2 South Africa. When did Musk found SpaceX? Option 1 1999, Option 2 2000, Option 3 2002. Option 3 2002. Musk sold his first computer program for $500 at the age of. Option 1 8 years, Option 2 10 years, Option 3 12 years. Option 3 12 years.
What is the Elon Musk full name? Option 1 Elon John Musk, Option 2 Elon Reeve Musk, Option 3 Elon Musk. Option 2 Elon Reeve Musk.
Which of these organs would Neuralink be working upon? Option A, head, Option B, brain, Option C, neck. Option B, brain. Which planets among them is SpaceX planning to go to? A, Moon, B, Mars, C, Venus.
B, Mars.
Where does Elon Musk appear in these films? A, The Martian, B, Iron Man 2, C, Interstellar.
B, Iron Man 2.
Which social media platform has recently bought A, Twitter, B, Facebook, C, Instagram? A, Twitter.
Did Elon Musk acquire U.S. citizenship in 2004? True or false?
False.
Did Elon Musk help create Solar City in 2008? True or false?
False.
Was PayPal acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in 1999?
False.
How old is Elon Musk? 51 years, 53 years, 55 years. $53 years. What was the name of the video game created by Musk at the age of 12? Blasters, Extinction, Blaster. Blaster.
How many times has Elon Musk been married? Option 1 3, option 2 4, option 3 5. Option 1 3. He found her in 2002. Option 1 SpaceX, option 2 Amazon, option 3 Tesla Motors. Option 1 SpaceX. Which year's Elon Musk born? Option 1 1970, option 2 1971, option 3 1972. Option 2 1971. What does Tesla Incorporated specialize in? Option 1. Electric vehicles. Option 2. Medical products. Option 3. Aviation. Option 1. Electric vehicles.